Hi my friends, it's Miss Kate from School 1057 in San Marcos, California, and today we are going to be planting a sunflower. Now to plant our sunflower, we are going to need a flower pot, some sunflower seeds, some soil pellets, a label, a marker to write on our label, and a bowl of 1/3 cup warm water and a spoon for mixing. So to start, my friends, I'm going to take my bowl of water and I'm going to add in 1 soil pellet. Now my friends, I'm going to show you what happens when I put my soil pellet right in the water. You can see that as the soil pellet touches the water, it expands and becomes bigger as the water mixes in with the soil. It's breaking up all of that dry soil and making it all nice and wet. So what you're going to do with your spoon is just mix it really well together. We want to make sure our soil is nice and wet before we put it in our flower pot. Now my friends, while I wait for that warm water to cool down, I want us to count out 10 sunflower seeds. You just need to open your sunflower packet and I'm going to pour some into my palm and we are going to count 10 seeds. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I just need a couple more. Let's see if we can get a couple more. 9 and 10. And so my friends, I also want us to look at what kind of sunflower we are going to be planting. This is called an all sorts mix sunflower. So now that our soil is nice and cool, I want us to pour some of the soil into our container here, into our pot. And we want to leave a 1/2 inch at the top, okay? So I'm going to start scooping my soil with my spoon into my flower pot, and I am going to make sure to pat it down and leave 1 inch at the top so that there is no soil at the very top, okay? Don't be afraid to pack it in and smooth it out so it reaches all of the edges. Okay, my friends, so once you have your soil, you can pack it on in, and you can see that I left a little bit at the top. And my friends, you can also see that my flower pot is dripping because there's a little hole at the bottom. So now what I want us to do is take our finger and poke a 2-inch hole into our pot, just like that. And then that is where we are going to put our 10 seeds, right into the center. So just scoop those seeds right on up and put them in the center of the soil where you made that hole with your finger. And then when you are done, my friends, you can cover up the hole with your finger again. And I'm just going to scoop in a little bit more soil. Just scoop the rest of that in there. And there we have our sunflower seeds, all nice and planted. But my friends, we are not done yet. Our next step is to write on our label so that we know what date we planted our sunflowers and what our sunflowers are called. So I'm going to write all sorts mix and the date. Once you have all of that written, you can go ahead and put the label in the flower pot. And my friends, you can also cover your flower pot with saran wrap to keep it nice and moist. We want to make sure that soil stays nice and moist so that our sunflower can grow big and strong. And my friends, I want to remind you that if you are planting sunflowers at home, you want to make sure to put your flower pot next to a window that has lots and lots of sun during the day so that your sunflower gets a lot of sun, because sunflowers need a lot of sun. So my friends, I hope you enjoyed planting this sunflower with me, and I hope that you are able to plant some flowers at home as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.